welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko and today, if today is the first day of this channel, I am more than happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes, so in the last 2 weeks, we've been learning about proverbs or Yoruba. We learned one of the wrong proverbs that is so popular that we had to correct, okay, the very first week. And last week we were able to differentiate between owe and idioms, which is owe ati or obi. So today, like I promised last week, we're going to continue with our learning of Yoruba proverbs. But before we do that, we need to learn about the rule, which is the rule of if a younger person is citing a proverb in front of an elderly person, what are the rules surrounding it? Okay, yeah. So the culture as it as, if you're a younger person and you want to say something to an elderly person and you want to add proverb to whatever you are saying to them, you actually have to sort of no disrespect. So, which is toto shebiowe, which means just in case it sounds like a proverb. That means you're saying to them that just in case it sounds like a proverb, you're acknowledging ahead of whatever proverb you want to say. And you have to say that before you actually recite that proverb. So, toto shebiowe. And then you can then say your proverb, okay? So that is that for that one. Just to actually throw that one out there, okay? So let's move on, okay? And you know, we'll all greet everyone together in Yoruba language. On the count of 1, 2, 3, go. Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́. A kú dédé àsìkò yìí níbi gbogbo tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni olùkọ́ Àǹtí Dékẹ́. Láti bí ọ̀sẹ̀ bíi mélòó kan sẹ́yìn, tí ẹ bá wo àwọn fọ́nrán ọ̀sẹ̀ bíi méjì sẹ́yìn àti ti ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá, ẹ máa rí pé à ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa òwe. Àwọn ìkìlọ̀ kan wà tí ó jẹ mọ́ òwe. Pàápàá jùlọ tí ó bá jẹ́ pé ọmọdé ń bá àgbàlagbà sọ̀rọ̀, tẹ́lẹ̀ mọ̀ pé nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ sọ ó máa mú bí òwe dání. Ẹ máa sọ fún wọn wípé tó ṣe bí òwe, àgbà yẹn á dá yín lóhùn pé wàá rí mi pa àbí wàá pa mí. Mo ti ní kí n sáré yanjú yẹn nìyẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wá bọ́ sí orí ẹ̀kọ́ títọ̀ ní gọgọgọgọ. A ti kọ́ nípa àṣìpa òwe ní ti ọ̀sẹ̀ lọ́hùn. Ní ọ̀sẹ̀ tó kọjá, a kọ́ nípa ìyàtọ̀ nínú òwe àti ọ̀rọ̀ bí òwe. A máa tẹ̀síwájú nínú ẹ̀kọ́ wa lónìí. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀, èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì òun ni mo máa fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Lóòótọ́ náà, àwọn kan ní olùkọ́ Adékẹ́ òwe yìí le ó le bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, àmọ́ kò sí ọ̀nà míì náà tá a tún lè gbà kọ́ òwe yìí. Òwe náà ni iṣẹ́ mọ̀. Bá ṣe máa mú ẹsẹsẹ nìyẹn, ṣóyè yín ó dáa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká máa kọ́ ti ìtẹ̀kọ́ ti tòní lọ. So today, guys, we're going to learn, let's say 3 other proverbs today. Yeah, I mean, the first one we're going to be learning today says, Màálù. I'm sure you know what màálù is. Màálù tí kò ní rù. Màálù tí kò ní rù. Olúwa ló ń bálé ṣinṣin, which means that, as you know, cows, màálù is cow. Cows normally they have tail, but you will find some species of cows that do not necessarily have long tail. If flies is getting on their tail is not long enough to wag the flies off, right? So they will say only God can actually help them in chasing away the fly. So which means that if you do not have anyone to help you in life, only God can help you. And that is just what that means. The other one is ìkòkò tí yóò jata, ìdí rẹ̀ á kọ́kọ́ gbóná. Ìkòkò tí yóò jata, ìdí rẹ̀ á kọ́kọ́ gbóná. That means that for you to make it in life, For you to actually become someone in life, you will go through a lot. Except you are a malu that you've got a long tail. You know what I mean? From the previous proverb I just talked about now. So really, that's just what that means. Ikoko tí yóò jata, ìdí rẹ̀ á kọ́kọ́ gbóná. Okay, so let's learn another one, and then that will be the last one for today. I promise you. Okay. A kì í finá sórí òrùlé sùn. A kì í finá sórí òrùlé sùn. So it means that whatever situation needs an urgent attention, quick, you give that attention to it quick, because delay can be dangerous. A kì í finá sórí òrùlé sùn. You don't lay back on an urgent issue. That's just what that means. All right. So I will not bore you any further again for today. I am looking forward to those comments and messages on my WhatsApp and in my inboxes. All right, guys. It's been fantastic today. I really enjoyed myself. I had fun. I'm sure you did have fun. Okay. I'll leave you then. I love you still. Okay. Until I catch you again next week. My name remains Oluko Antideke. And on the count of 1, 2, 3, go. It is double. Thank you so very much. Ẹ ṣeun.